Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today, we're diving into 10 classic motorcycles for sale across the US, featuring rare Harleys, iconic superbikes, and vintage gems you can still buy right now. 1. 1952 Harley-Davidson Bad Boy, $1,500, Dallas, Texas. We begin with a truly old-school piece, a 1952 Harley-Davidson Bad Boy, an ultra-rare survivor priced at just $1,500. This bike carries the charm of Harley's early post-war minimalist machines, still wearing its original brown finish and strong vintage patina. According to the seller, the engine was running not long ago, but may need a simple carburetor cleaning to wake it back up. The frame, tank, and major components appear surprisingly well preserved for its age. This Harley is the kind of project collectors hunt for: unrestored, authentic, and priced far below typical vintage Harley values. The seller is open to trades, including trucks, classic cars, or cash, making this an approachable entry point into true American motorcycle history. 2. 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000, $9,500, Bertram, Texas. Next is an early production 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000, USA production number 1018, making it one of the earliest units ever built. With 24,562 original miles, it's a genuine survivor. The classic green paint with lime striping shines beautifully, and the bike has been stored indoors for decades, preserving its plastics, chrome, and seat, which shows no tears or dry rot. This KZ1000 runs, but will need a new battery and installation of the included voltage regulator. As one of Kawasaki's most iconic 1970s superbikes, original examples like this have become increasingly valuable. For collectors seeking authenticity with minimal work required, this is an exceptional catch. Number 3. 1973 BMW R75/5, $4,500, Springtown, Texas. Here we have a late production 1973 BMW R75/5, the first year of the long wheelbase LWB design that greatly improved stability and handling. This one shows 99,000 documented miles, supported by service records dating back to 1983. The bike retains its original red paint and features tasteful upgrades, including a 5-speed transmission, /6 series exhaust canisters, Koni rear shocks, and progressive fork springs. Recent maintenance includes a tune-up, carb rebuild, and brake service. Classic BMW airheads are beloved for their reliability, smoothness, and easy parts availability, and this example, with decades of documentation, is a solid rider for enthusiasts who appreciate German engineering. Number 4. 1978 Kawasaki 1000 Performance Build, $3,000, Pine Bluff, Arkansas. If you're after raw 1970s muscle, this 1978 Kawasaki 1000 delivers. Equipped with a performance-built engine and freshly cleaned carburetors, it runs strong and offers a powerful starting point for a full restoration or a custom project. These big-block Kawasaki engines have an incredible reputation for durability and torque, and enthusiasts often transform them into cafe racers, drag setups, or retro superbikes. For $3,000, this is one of the more affordable high-performance vintage platforms available today. 5. 1979 Triumph T140 Project, $1,500, Parsons, Kansas. For the British classic fans, here's a 1979 Triumph T140 project with many expensive parts already upgraded. The bike has good compression, brand new carburetors, new high-pipe chrome exhaust, and fresh Firestone Deluxe Champion tires and tubes. It also features a new Boyer ignition and rectifier regulator, two major electrical upgrades most T140 owners do eventually. What remains is wiring, plumbing the front brakes, and final assembly. At just $1,500 with all new parts included, this is an excellent way to bring a classic British twin back to life without the usual high restoration costs. Six, 1995 Honda Shadow Ace VT 1100, $3,000, Granbury, Texas. This 1995 Honda Shadow Ace 1100 offers one of the most dependable and smooth V-twin experiences of the 1990s. With 25,000 miles, a brand new battery, fresh oil change, and a clean title, it's ready for daily riding. It comes with the original seat, saddlebags, and windshield, making it a comfortable cruiser for both city rides and highway trips. Honda Shadows are known for reliability, low maintenance, and affordability. This one, especially in its well-kept condition, is a smart buy for anyone wanting classic cruiser styling without high running costs. Number 7. 1982 Yamaha XJ 1100, $1,600, Tomball, Texas. A rare find, the 1982 Yamaha XJ 1100 was produced for only 1 year in the US, making it a sought-after collectible among Japanese superbike fans. The seller has owned it for several years and invested in numerous replacement parts to get it running properly. For its era, this bike was considered one of the fastest production motorcycles, boasting impressive torque and touring capability. It comes with a clear Texas title, and at $1,600, it's possibly the best deal here for buyers wanting a big displacement classic with real historical significance. 8. 1974 Suzuki TS250, $1,000, Des Moines, Iowa. For off-road and enduro fans, this 1974 Suzuki TS250 is an affordable street-legal two-stroke classic priced at just $1,000. It runs and rides well most of the time, though it has an intermittent starting issue, common on older two-strokes, and often solved with tuning or electrical cleaning. The bike has great tire tread, a clear Iowa title, and kickstart operation only. With rising interest in vintage dual sports, the TS250 remains a versatile and fun machine, perfect for trail exploring or light restoration. Nine. 1990 Harley-Davidson FXR, $14,500, Bettius, Texas. The Harley-Davidson FXR has become one of the most desirable models in the Harley lineup, prized for its exceptional frame rigidity and handling. This 1990 example shows just 7,500 miles, presenting an excellent condition with a clean white finish and a lightly customized style. FXRs are legendary for balancing power and maneuverability, making them a favorite among performance-focused Harley riders. With values rising sharply in recent years, a low-mileage FXR like this is a premium collectible that still rides like a modern machine. Number 10. 1985 Honda Sabre 1100, $4,999, Scott, Louisiana. Closing our list is the 1985 Honda Sabre 1100, one of Honda's advanced V4 sport touring machines of the mid-80s. This unit is described as being in great shape, needing nothing and running strong. The Sabre series offered impressive horsepower, smooth power delivery, comfortable ergonomics, and technology ahead of its time. For under $5,000, it sits as one of the best all-around vintage riders here, fast, reliable, and ready for long-distance cruising. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. If you enjoy real vintage listings and classic motorcycle market insights, hit like and subscribe. More rare finds are coming soon.